Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. As promised in many videos before this one, you are finally getting a home tour of everything we did to decorate and get it to this place where we love. Without further ado, I'm just gonna jump right in. Starting just from the front of the house, this is our front door entrance in, and obviously as you see there's no like hallway or anything, it turns right into the living room. So this couch we actually got at Value City Furniture. I really love it. I don't know if you can tell, but we have a blanket on this cushion right here because our dog loves to claw at the couch, which is a newfound thing. He has never done that before, but all of a sudden last week he started doing that, so that's kind of frustrating. All of the pillows are from HomeGoods and Marshalls. This I got at Hobby Lobby a long time ago. I tried to find another one because I wanted them to be the other way and like have two up there, but I could not find it, so that's really unfortunate. I would have loved to have been able to do that, but one is good enough. And I have some ideas too to decorate it for fall, so more will come on this wall. It's a little bland right now. And this cute little corner over here, I don't have too much, just something that you can put your drink on or whatever if you're sitting on the side of the couch. And then I also have this really cute little sign from Mapiful, and this is honestly so awesome. I'm able to see exactly where we live on here, and I think the aesthetic is very cute with the black and white. It goes exactly with everything that we have in the house. And Mapiful did actually gift this to me, so thank you Mapiful, I love it. And I'll go ahead and leave the link down below if you want to shop it as well. Mapiful has a lot of different options. They have map options. You can do something like this. You can change the colors, you can change the layout, and then they also have pictures of the night sky as well. So if you want to do something like the night we met and gift that to like a boyfriend or girlfriend, that could be super cute. But I love this piece and I feel like it fits perfectly in our house. This side of the room is where it's really busy and where I wanted the focal point to be, especially walking in the door right here. This is the first thing that you see here. I love that we have a mantle. This is new. We did not have a mantle at our last place, so I am so obsessed. This is also just a Mod Podge of things. That the whole house is like a Mod Podge of like 5 stores, honestly. So the garland is from Hobby Lobby, candle is from Target. These are both from At Home. I have no idea where the books are from. Actually, I do know where these 2 books are from. These are from the Book Loft in German Village, which is a really cute little store in Columbus. So if you're ever here, it's crazy big. There's so many rooms. There are like hundreds of thousands of books there. So I highly recommend you check that out if you are ever in Columbus or if you do live in Columbus. And as you can see, the little sets that I have set up on either side of the mantle are the exact same. And I thought that was very visually appealing. So I got both of these from HomeGoods. I got the vases from World Market and these little guys from Target. And then everything else, like the frames, the candles, are all from HomeGoods as well. And then the actual little cabinet itself, both of these are from Amazon. I had a lot of luck on Amazon picking out like actual furniture and cabinets and stuff, so really lucky there, and I just love the way this started out. There's Frankie just kind of hanging out on the floor. This coffee table is from Amazon. It's the same one we had at our old apartment. I have this little coffee table book. It's Nostalgia and Vogue, a CB2 catalog, a Bath & Body Works candle. This one's Tiki Beach. And then this little guy, which I got from IKEA. Moving in from the living room, we have our dining room that just connects with this nice open space here. I absolutely love our dining room. Everything turned out exactly how I wanted it to. So just starting with the main piece, I got this rug from HomeGoods, and this is also very textured. I really like this. You do kind of have to be delicate with it though, but it's really cute. The table we got off Facebook Marketplace, and then this is just a Mod Podge of like HomeGoods, Marshalls, and Target. And then on this wall, which is my favorite like decor of the whole house, we just have a plant from HomeGoods and a little potter that's also, or both of those are from At Home, I'm sorry. And then we have these frames that I got off the Facebook Marketplace for like $10 each, which is insane. Like, look how big they are in comparison to my hand. And we just have a couple of engagement photos here. try to show them to you without the windows getting in the way. I love these pictures. So cute. And then this is actually an outdoor chair that I got from Target, but I just thought it was so cute, and like we needed something for this random space here, so I love that. And then we also just have a bin full of blankets right here. This is from Amazon, Mod Podge of Home Goods, also from Home Goods. This again is that same textured material. I really wanted pieces that could kind of tie in the spaces, so when I saw this, it reminded me of the coat rack we have in the kitchen, and I really, really like this. So this, if I can do it with one hand, we actually keep all of our cards in for when people are coming over. We can just put cards right onto the table. And then this is also a Mod Podge of gifts, and I just really like the way that looks. On this side of the wall, we have this little boho corner. This is Frankie's little bed. He actually sleeps with us up in our room at night, but like during the day, he just kind of chills and hangs out here. And then I got all three of these from World Market. And then here are just his toys and another little bed that we take with us that he sits on in the car. And then I also got these curtains. Hopefully you can see, they kind of look like little pebbles, and they're tan, and then like the detailing is white. And I got these at Home Goods as well. Super cute. So as you start to enter the kitchen, we first have this little divot in the wall here that we made the space for our little bar area. We have this really cute sign that we got in Athens. We met at OU, for those of you who don't know. So this is like the typical Pubs of Athens sign. Almost everyone who went to OU has this. And then down here, we just have our bar cart. And this is everything I have. Those of you who watch Vanderpump Rules know about that fancy AF cocktail book. And then over here at the start of the kitchen, we have this little coffee bar area. And honestly, almost everything that I got here is from Amazon. So starting with this little coffee sign, I got this off of Amazon. And then moving down, the actual little cabinet itself is from Amazon. These little cups are from Amazon, which are so cute. Just little glass mugs. And then this tea holder is also from Amazon. In here, this is what we are looking like. I have this sign that I got as a gift that we just write our grocery list on. Home Goods assortment, at home, oh my gosh, shoot, World Market. And then this I got off the Home Goods website, and I don't know if you can see, but it's actually textured and it's really, really cute. And we just use this for our keys and all that good stuff. Moving into this area, I got this from an Ohio store. I forget which one, but I think it's Simply Vague. And then Target, Target, Home Goods. And this was a gift also. I love this. I think it's so pretty. It's just a little cheese board, which we don't actually use it, but it's just a really cute piece to add into the kitchen area. So I've touched on pretty much everything down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you upstairs so you guys can see what we've done up there. So this is what the office looks like from the outside. Walking in, we just have my big body mirror here, which I love. I've had this for like 6 years. On this side, I actually am still working on this. It is kind of my little gallery wall here. I haven't picked out a picture for this frame yet, but we'll get there. And then the one up there says, make great use of today, which I love. This is a picture of Jack and I. This is a cute little painting I found and I thought it looked like Frankie. And then this says, I love you in German. And this is just a really pretty little dried plant. And then these curtains, I actually mentioned these in my Decorate My Office with Me, but I got these off of Amazon too, and they're so cute. They just have this really cute little detailing here. And then this is my actual office setup. I work from home, I'm permanently work from home, so I'm constantly in here. This is my little work chair. I got both of these from Home Goods. And then this blanket is from Express, and I just like to sit on this or cover up with it if I get cold. It's nice to have that nearby. And the desk is IKEA. This is like my work situation, my planner. And then over here I have my earrings, bracelets, and watches, and my glasses, and a little perfume. And then I also just have my mirror to do my makeup, my brushes, and all of my pens and pencils. On this side, we have these really cute little tan guys here. My sister broke one of these things playing with it. She's really little, but I don't really care. I think it still looks good. And I actually got these at the Target dollar spot, and they were either $2 or $3 each, and they fit this room perfectly. So I really, really love those. And the last decor piece in here is this huge painting that I actually got from At Home, and I love it so much. I think it really fits the colors in here. This is just all of my like filming stuff all thrown into the corner, and then my calendar that I use to keep track of my life, you know? I won't go too deep into the closet, but just an overview. This is where I have all my like dressy stuff, and then all of my heels, and then my wedding dresses in the back there. And then up here I just have like storage and beach stuff, and then shorts, leggings, and like denim shorts or dressy shorts. So when you enter the room, this is kind of the basis of what it looks like. This is definitely my favorite room in the house. I absolutely love it. It turned out exactly like I wanted it to. It's really boho, really cool colors. But it also has like the warm wood undertones that we placed all around. I really love it. So starting out, we have this rug that I got off of Amazon, and it is just this nice texture here. And then it is just a thick white along the edges here. Our bed frame is from Value City. The actual bedding is a Mod Podge of mainly Home Goods, and then this blue pillow is from Target, and this is actually from Lowe's. I went to Lowe's to get more paint, and I saw this, and it's the exact same color as our wall, so I definitely had to pick that up. So, super surprised to find something so great there. So then coming back onto the sides, we got these really cute little paintings here. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like pencil. And this one says eucalyptus, and then the one on my side says lavender. And I absolutely love these so much. They fit so well. They're like the exact same color as our little nightstands. I love them. These we got in a set of 2 off of Amazon. And then our curtains here, I honestly forget. These are, I think, Target, but they might be Home Goods. Same with our curtain rod. It's really cute. It's this little like pointy guy, and it's gold. And I believe that that is from Target as well. And then the wall we have, I believe the color is midnight blue. I will check, but this is bear. And I love this color, especially paired with our wall decor. It looks so good. And on this wall, it's very plain, but that's on purpose. It's just so close to walking in that you can't really see anything on this wall. This I have had for a very, very long time, and that was gifted to me. It's just this really cute wooden mandala sign. Hopefully I said that right. It's really, really nice. In this corner of our bedroom, we just have, this guy is from Target, and it's just for extra blankets. If one of us gets cold through the night, we can just grab that really quickly and don't have to like go out for it. This is from Home Goods or Marshalls, and both of these are from At Home. And I really love these because they match the color of our paint almost exactly. So it almost looks like the actual glass is see-through, but it's not. This is white in the frame, but it really doesn't look like it. So I love that. I think that looks great. Again, the blue matches so well with our walls. So I really, really am happy with what we did there. And then this is just Jack's little closet. This is just some like wedding stuff, extra sheets, all his winter stuff, and then his shoes down here. Nothing too exciting. Here's our bathroom. I really wanted this to be blue and white and neutral, like as neutral as possible. So on the floor here, we just have this. I got this from Nordstrom. It says "Get Naked." I think it's so funny and cute. And then up here we have our towels. And then this sign, which I got from Hobby Lobby, our shower, and this shower curtain is from Target, I believe. And it also has this really nice texture. As you can tell, I love neutrals that just bring texture into the room. I think that that is like so aesthetically pleasing to me. And then up here, we just have this sign that says "Take a Seat," candle, little plant, our perfumes, another candle, down into our hand towels, which are also from Home Goods, this little candle, and then into our sink area, this really cute little hand wash from Target, and a room spray that I got from Home Goods, and then this toothpaste holder from Home Goods as well, and our electric toothbrushes. So this is what it looks like all together. Really cute. And then if you come into this room, this is actually our closet. We turned this into a closet. It was just a plain room, and we went to Home Depot and got these like rod things, and Jack installed them into the wall. So he did a great job, shout out to him. And so yeah, we just turned this really small room into a really big closet, and we love it so much. This isn't super organized, but it is as organized as possible. This bottom is mine, this row is his, this is all his clothes, and then this is our little dresser, which just has our save the date in it, which I love, so cute. Headbands, deodorant, perfumes, glasses cleaner. And then I usually have this in the basement, but we're traveling again in like a week, so I figured I would just leave it up here. And then this is all of my shoes minus my heels, which I showed you was in my office. And then we also have this really, really cute rug that I got from, guess where? Home Goods. And then we also have these stairs that actually go up into the attic, which is his little area. Alright guys, that is everything that I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you are not already. I'm so excited to decorate for fall. That is where I thrive. I'm gonna decorate for fall and Christmas, so if you are into that, stay tuned. There will be plenty of content to come, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.